In the early 1800s, a single scholar's voice would ignite a revolution that reshaped an entire continent's destiny.
For centuries, the Hausa kingdoms of West Africa thrived as centers of trade and culture, but by the 1700s, deep tensions were fracturing these ancient societies.
The Fulani were nomadic cattle herders who had roamed West Africa for centuries, many becoming deeply learned Islamic scholars alongside their pastoral lives.
Born around 1754, Usman Fodio was a brilliant scholar and preacher whose teachings about justice and true Islamic governance attracted followers across Hausa land.
Hausa kings taxed their people heavily, mixed Islamic customs with traditional practices, and ruled in ways that devout Muslims like Fodio considered deeply corrupt.
In 1804, after the Gobe king attempted to assassinate him, Fodio declared jihad, and thousands of Fulani and Hausa warriors answered his call.
Within just a few years, the jihadists had conquered most major Hausa city-states, Kano, Katsina, and Zaria, replacing ancient dynasties with Fulani emirs.
By 1808, Fodio had established the Sokoto Caliphate, the largest empire in 19th century Africa, governing through appointed emirs under unified Islamic law.
Across the Caliphate, Islamic schools spread Arabic literacy and learning, transforming daily life and governance in regions that had never seen such unified education.
Inspired by Fodio's success, other Fulani leaders launched jihads across West Africa, Ahmad Altijani in Mali and Alhaji Umar Tal in Senegal and Guinea.
Alhaji Umar Tal conquered vast territories across Senegal, Mali, and Guinea, establishing the Tukola Empire and extending the belt of Islamic states across the savannah.
The Fulani jihads transformed daily life, Islamic law replaced old legal systems, Arabic literacy spread, and new codes of marriage, trade, and governance reshaped entire communities.
The Sokoto Caliphate's legacy endures today. The Sultanate of Sokoto still exists in Nigeria, and the Islamic institutions Fodio built continue to shape West African culture and governance.
This lesson is part of the UNESCO General History of Africa Curriculum Library at ashaware.com, where Africa's story is told by Africa.